What's up, stackers? So this video is part 4 in a free mini course that I've put together on how to make money with Facebook fan pages. If you haven't seen any of the previous videos, then I'll link the first one right there in the right hand corner, which I suggest you going through and watch before you watch this one. Also, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos on how you can start making money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So this video, part 4, what are we doing? This is scheduling your posts and automation. So I'm going to show you how you can schedule your posts on Facebook, and I'm going to show you a few different tools that you can also use. So let's get into this. So with this page that we created in this mini course, I've already gone through and added some content. As you can see, if we scroll down, I've got a few images and a few videos. Now ideally we want 3 to 5 videos, and that's because when we go to run ads on these, we want to split test a few different videos to see which one's working best. Now as we scroll down, you can see that I've already got about 3 videos on here, got some images as well. Now top trick or top hack, whatever you want to call it, when you're adding photos or videos, most of the time you want to ask a question, because that's going to get engagement on your pictures or on your videos. See, as you can see with this image, I put, "Can I have him please? Who else wants this handsome fella?" I've spelt handsome wrong, but who else wants this handsome fella? Now if people were to see this, they'll write a comment saying that they want this dog. So just top trick, when you add content, always remember to ask questions. And in your videos, you always want to put something like OMG or wow at the beginning of the video, because it just seems to work best. So, oh my god, this singing puppy will brighten up your day. Now, when it comes to growing the page, we use viral video ads to grow the page. Now, this video is all about scheduling and uploading the content onto your Facebook page, so I'm going to show you how to do that. There is a few tools that you can use, but you have to pay for them. So if you want to do it for free, you can just use the scheduler within Facebook, because they have their own one built in. So if we scroll up a little bit, I'm going to do it in here in a minute, but straight away I just need another video to upload. So I'm going to go to the news feed or the pages feed of my fan page, which I showed you how to do in a previous video. And then I'm just going to find a video that I can use, I can download and upload, so I can show you how to schedule it out using just Facebook alone. So I'm not going to use that video. I've already used that one. So what I'm going to do is just going to go straight over to their fan page and go to their videos. Now remember, like I stated in a previous video in this series, that when you use videos, make sure there's no branding on it, and you wouldn't have a clue who you would have to give credit to. It's just a viral video on Facebook. So let that load up for a minute. Now I'm going to go to videos, scroll down, and I'm going to find a video with a lot of views and some good engagement on the video. That way, when I post it on mine, and if I run ads to that video, I know that it's more than likely probably going to do well. So let's just scroll down. Fluffy Babies, 43. Pompsy Squad, that's had over 2 million views. So now I know that this video will do well when I run ads to it. So to download the video from Facebook is pretty easy. Go to Google, type in download Facebook video. Then the first search one here is the one you want to use. So once that's pulled up, you go back to the video that you want to download, grab the URL like so, go back over to the Facebook video downloader, plug in the URL just there, click download. I'm going to wait a few seconds. Then I'm going to go to download video in HD quality. Then I'm going to right click on the video, just pause that, save video as, I want it in my downloads folder, save, and that's it. I've now downloaded that video. So now I'm going to go back over to the fan page, go to photo and video, upload photos and videos, find it just there. Now another top trick that you can do if you don't know what to actually name your video or put in the description, you can go back to the original post where you found that from, and if you scroll down you can look at the comments and see what they've put. Now get this one for my birthday. Just scroll down. I need to go somewhere like this. See, that would be perfect. You can use that comment in your description. Now if we go back, I'm going to put, oh my god, oh my god. I need to go somewhere like this. See, brilliant. You can just get comment. Then as the video title, what did they put? Poom Sky Squad. So I'm going to put something like crazy puppies having fun. Now this is where it comes to scheduling. So if we scroll down, we're going to go to next. Then we go to schedule. So this is where we can schedule our posts. Now if you've got the time, you can download all the images that you want, all the videos that you want, and then schedule everything to go out for a week. And you want to do at least 3 posts a day to begin with. Now you're not going to know the best time to post on your fan page quite yet. You're going to have to build up your page a little bit, get some data from Facebook so you can find out when to schedule your posts for the best engagement. Now like I said, I recommend doing 3 posts a day, and you can just spread them out during the day to begin with. So you could actually download 9 images and videos, schedule them out for 3 days and do it 3 days at a time just using the Facebook scheduler. Or you can do it for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on how you want to do it. But I'm going to put that scheduled for the 29th, let's say 5 o'clock, and press schedule, and then that's it. I would rinse and repeat that process with all different images, all different videos, so they're scheduled to go out through the day, for a few days, or for a week. Now there's a couple of tools that you can also use, and one of them is my favourite, and that's fan page traffic. Now this is $10 a month, but definitely worth it. You can have unlimited Facebook pages on here for $10 a month with an unlimited amount of scheduled posts going out. Now I highly recommend fan page traffic if you want to use a tool, and like I said, it's $10 to get started, or $10 a month. And the next one is Post Planner. Now I don't really know much about Post Planner, I just came across them yesterday, but with this software it's only $3 a month. So with that $3 a month, you can have 3 accounts, you can do 30 posts per day and have 300 posts scheduled to go out. Now the one thing with Post Planner and fan page traffic which you can't do with here, the scheduler on Facebook, is you can't recycle posts on Facebook on here, whereas using those softwares you can actually reschedule your old posts to go back out, which is pretty cool. Now that's it for the scheduling video. Next video is all about monetization, and if you want to see that and you're watching sometime in the future, you can click that card up there in the right hand corner to go through and watch that. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.